celebrating this day as World Consumer Rights Day. Hello everyone, I am Akansha Vajpayee. तो चलिए जानते हैं एक कंज्यूमर के राइट्स को और कैसे वो मार्केट की अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस से खुद को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है. As consumers, we have certain rights that are protected by law. These rights include the right to safety, जिसमें हमारा राइट है to expect that the products and services we purchase are safe for us to use. फिर आता है the right to be informed, जो देता है right to receive accurate and truthful information about the products and services that we purchase. The right to choose, जिसमें हम range of products and services को competitive price पे purchase कर सकते हैं. The right to be heard, ये देता है right to voice our complaints and have them heard by businesses and government agencies. And lastly, the right to redress. We have the right to seek compensation or other forms of redress. In 2020, the Indian government launched the Consumer app to empower consumers to file complaints and seek redressal through a mobile application. The app allows consumers to register complaints, track their status, and provide feedback on the resolution process. In India, consumers have the right to file class actions lawsuits, which are also known as representative suits. These lawsuits allow a group of consumers with a similar complaints to file a single lawsuit against a common defendant. Apart from this, the Indian government has established the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) to ensure that products sold in the country meet certain quality and safety standards. The BIS operates a certificate scheme for various products such as electronics, textiles, and food items. That's it for today. For more such contents, please follow us. And as always, thanks for your support.